Hey guys, Ace of Bats here. I wanted to thank you for clicking on the video today. I want to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and then helps us bring more quality content to you guys so that you can get to the Tournament of Kings here a lot faster. Hey guys, welcome back to Ace of Vegas here. Today we are gonna go ahead and try El Senor de los Cielos, and I cannot remember what that actually means in Spanish. The Mr. something or other. Cielos. I don't know. My Spanish is atrocious, unfortunately. I do apologize. I wanna say it's like. I'm trying to remember if I'm not sure if it's like I know it doesn't cognate. I feel like it's sky or something like that, or it's like or it's atmosphere. Like this is like the Mr. Skies or something. I don't know. It'll come to me later. But I've been meaning to play this game. We played Munsters, we played Excalibur, played Bridesmaids, and then we've kind of skipped around, hit Shack Slam and all that. So I want to go ahead and get this one out of the way too, so we can go ahead and keep going on in. So let's hit the play button here and jump straight on in. Okay, so you guys know the rules for doing our 100 spin experiments here. So we go to the third bet line, as long as it's something reasonable, at least consistent with the rest of them. Looks like this is a smaller slot, 4-line slot. Wow, 800,000, that's insane, wow. Okay, I guess that's what we're doing. 800,000. I don't feel comfortable with that, but let's go ahead and make that happen. And we're starting with 136,748,096 chips there, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get 100 spins on that. So that'll be us risking 80 million chips. We might actually go bust here. This might be the end of it, guys. Might be the end of the series here. But can we get that any lower? And it'll just be 400,000. I feel a little more comfortable doing 400,000. Do you guys mind if I do that? I don't really care. I'm doing it anyway. 400,000 is reasonable. Because I don't want to go completely bust on this, but let's go ahead and do that. This is the first time I'm actually playing this game. It's a relatively new game here. Just launched, I think, last week. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it's about. I have no idea what the story is here. We're just gonna go ahead and do this. We're putting 100 spins on the clock. Ready, go. Alright, we already got bingo balls coming in here, and it looks like we got, is that James Bond? What is going on here? I have no idea what's going on in the story. Don't really fully understand what's up, and it's like a small 4-reel slot thing, so looks like the wilds take a pretty big part in how everything works around here. Looks like they'll do like entire lines of wilds. I have no idea what the bonus games are. Hopefully we'll get an interesting bonus game. I hope it's not like a My Konami game where you only get like you know, free spins or something lame like that. My Konami games are always like the worst of the slot games, and you know, I got my beefs with Konami anyway, being a former recovering Yu-Gi-Oh player. That's what I like to say. So there's that. Otherwise, not much else to really talk about. I've been doing a little bit of research on gambling addiction. Actually, I kind of want to do a video on that pretty soon here. Maybe just after my next holiday, so I don't have to stress about getting that all edited and all just in time for something. Man, we're already down 3 million chips. That's pretty bad. 4 million chips. That's rough. All right, maybe that's another reason that I kind of dropped off on the pay lines there, because I haven't played this game and I didn't really feel comfortable going full force on here. And then I think that just is just a testament to how much I hate slot machines, because they're just so bad for return and so bad to play. Oh, and we got a level up here, so that's a little bonus, I guess. Another good hit there. But yeah, anyway, back to the problem gambling. That was another thing that I kind of wanted to work on there, and we seem to have a plane of some sort. It seems to have dropped off a package. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, we've been awarded 1.5 million for no clear nor apparent reason. Okay, that's pretty neat. I guess that happens. What's going on now? So we got two. Oh, it seems as if we get two. Oh, it's kind of like the Lake Spotted Bigfoot. If you go through a certain number of things, then I guess you get okay, all right, so you get like extra spins. You want to go around the map is the trip. Okay, gotcha. So we want to get to Mexico City over here, and that's how it works. All right, I kind of get it. It looks neat. So it's kind of like a really edgy version of Lake Spot a Bigfoot here. This is where that T rating comes in, because this looks a little more hardcore, like there's a lot of money involved, and I feel like I see bullet holes on this game, so there's definitely some shooting involved. I'm just not sure what else we do here. Alright, so now we are about 42 spins in, still about the same spot, but yeah, let's go ahead and get back to that problem gambling I was going to go ahead and talk to you guys about. But yeah, that was something that I wanted to go ahead and do a video on. I did some research recently. Oh, there's another plane that we get. Hopefully we get all 6 planes. Do we get any money for this? Let's see, 500,000. I really got to start. I should have read that. Didn't have time to. I always got to translate in my head first before I can actually read something in Spanish. We got 2 more planes. These bonuses are just going to interrupt me anytime I want to talk about problem gambling, I guess. Maybe that's maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's something I shouldn't talk about as a Vegas slots channel. The irony. But I guess we got one more. Coabula. I don't know. Oh, we got 2 more free spins here. I don't know. There we go. That wasn't a great spin there. All right, that was 800,000, so that was something. We haven't lost too much yet. Love to see a much better set of spins, so that would be great. Oh, and there's our last one, so we might actually get to see the whole bonus round. So we made it to Mexico City, I guess. And we get 12 free spins. So it's going to go ahead and change the whole map here. And we're taking the plane, I guess. And we're doing all 12 free spins, so let's see what happens. Oh, I get 2 wild. Boom, alright, 2.4 million, nice. Get 1 wild. Alright, so it's just kind of kicking in wilds here. Just strips of wilds. And this Oscar, I didn't actually catch his name. It looks like we're doing pretty good there. Keeps dropping into the same spot here. Oh, whoa, 13 million, nice, okay. I feel pretty good about that one, at least. And you know, if we're playing a real game, I think I probably would. Ooh, 17 million, wow. And if we were playing a real slot game, I think I probably would have walked away at this point and then just called it a good day. But we're not playing a real slot game, we're playing MyVegas slot, so we're gonna go ahead and take it to the maximum if we can. And we get 2 more bonus spins here. This is pretty good. This is actually pretty good. For me, never having played this game before, I think we're holding up pretty good. 1.3 million. Alright, and we got 6 more spins to go through. Hopefully these wild strips over here are helpful. Another 1.2 million. I say we want to get the people, like we want to get our anti-hero here, or his girlfriend, or maybe like the secret agent guy, as that's where all of our money's gonna come from. That's what it looks like. That's my best guess. Speaking of, yeah, because the bills and the belt buckles and all that just don't seem to be doing much. So I'm not sure if this guy's like a superhero, if he's like, or if he's like trying to rescue people, or what his whole deal is. If he's like a gunslinger or whatever, I'm not really sure what the whole deal is. He is this kind of like Jason Statham, sort of rugged action hero, like driver sort of look to him. So I don't fully understand what's going on, and it was supposed to be going on in the story, but it looks pretty cool. I'm kind of down with it. So whatever happens here, I guess is what's happening. So. Wow, that was a lot of wins. We won 40 million, and that means automatically that we're gonna profit off of this, because we risked 40 million and we already won 40 million back. So, oh my God, see, the games like this really make it hard to talk about problem gambling, because you know, when I start talking about stuff like that, apparently I win. Go figure. Make of that what you will. But the big thing I want to talk about is just you know, how much each state really kind of contributes to it. I've been doing a little bit of research. I'm on my first page of research, and already I'm actually really disappointed. As you guys know, I'm based out of Colorado, which is actually a very short trip to Vegas, so I get to go out there pretty frequently, and I go pretty cheap between my Vegas play over here and my play in the casino and all that. I'll go, so I can go like 1 or 2 times a year pretty inexpensively and not worry about it. But I hadn't realized how intense problem gambling was for a lot of people, and how little that we do for it out here. Like we donate less than a cent of the revenue per capita to problem gambling. I've read one year in 2013 the budget for problem gaming was only was only like $57,000. That's not even enough to pay a single counselor. You know, I mean, if you're including benefits and all that, and then God forbid you factor in trying to pay for the office and all that, you get like 3/4 of a counselor there, and then that's about it. That's your entire budget already spent. That's before they seen anybody. That's before you had a receptionist come in and schedule the appointments. 8.7 million there. That's before you had a medical assistant or a psychological assistant help out with that sort of stuff too. And it's just it's a real shame. So I'll probably do a video on that pretty soon after I've had some more time to do some more research, get some more concrete sort of stuff there, and yeah, just want to go from there. It's something that I really do want to talk about. It's something near and dear to my heart there that concerns me, especially since you know, my whole MO is make life better through gaming, and sometimes it gets worse. And yeah, so doing pretty good. We're in our last clips of spins here. Let's go ahead and end things on a positive note here. Another 15 million chip win. That is killer. Wow, we just have the best luck today, and we got two more planes. I like these small 4-reel games here just because there's a better probability. I don't know. I hate slots in general. And we get one free spin here. Looks like someone got married. I didn't get a good look at the headline. And then looks like we might have some money coming our way. 2 more free spins. Okay. So it looks like we get 3 free spins here, guys. Alright, so it's another 325,000. Putting the big wild up front for another 225. Alright. 625 to round it out. That was a good 1.1 million to pay for our last couple spins here. Hopefully, and there's another bonus. Alright, they really want us to get to Mexico City, apparently. Hopefully that is going to go well here. Alright, so 500,000. We only have like 7 spins to go. And let's see if we get any free spins here. It'd be kind of cool if we got to the end of it all over again too. And we got 2 more. There was a Black Panther attack or something that I read. I don't know. I didn't read that very hard. I didn't know that they had Black Panthers in Mexico. I don't think they do. So that concerns me. All right, 2.8 million. Nice. We are killing it today. I think we more than doubled our money. We really should just walk away here, but we have to keep playing the game. Because, you know, it's just a video game. It's not a real casino, and we're not investing real money. So I feel a little better about that. We got 500,000 off of that one, and we pulled another 500,000 just out of the air there. That would be lit if we could get to the end of this just one more time, just to go ahead and see how loose the slot really is. And it's probably because I'm having some pretty good luck here. Maybe it's just a good day. I don't know which. And here's our last spin. 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's enough. All right, we'll even let that run through. Okay, cool. So I'm even still gonna count that. So it looks like we ended at 186,042,201 chips, which is pretty wild there. I gotta admit, that was a lot of chips. So I think we should go ahead and take a little break here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and count up the booty, as I always say. Okay guys, welcome back. So for Mr. Sky over here, Senor Cielos, I think we've broken a record. So we wagered 40 million chips, and now I'm kind of wishing that we wagered the 80 million chips, because we probably would have won twice as much anyway. But hey, whatever, it is what it is. We made our decision, and now we work with it. But it looks like we wagered 40 million chips, and not only did we get that back, but we also made an additional 49,294,110 chips. So when we divide that out, we come back with a payback percentage of an unprecedented 223.23% payback. That means that the slot machine lost twice as much as it even had a shot of winning. That's even more than that. That was insane. This is I think this is the highest that we've been on this series over here. We made some loyalty points. We're up to 385,000, doing pretty good today. I think it's a good time to walk away from the game here. I'm not sure about you guys. Tomorrow's going to be a bit of a losing phase, because now we're getting into the Ainsworth and the Konami slots after this, and I'm not sure about, or maybe we should do Bet Rock. I kind of want to do Bet Rock, but we can do the Grand Dragon, the Thunder Cash, and the Lotus Land. Unfortunately, these are the more boring slot machines, I'm just going to go ahead and say, but for the sake of continuity for the video, we'll have to knock them all out eventually. I really kind of want to do Bet Rock, though, because that one's a little more fun. We'll talk about it a little more tomorrow, but in the meantime, Ace of Bats is signing out.